Today you will learn how to add bullet points in Microsoft Word in the easiest way possible. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, let's see how to turn existing text into bullet points. If you already have items written in your document, make sure each item is on its own line. Then select all the lines by dragging your mouse over the text. After selecting the text, go to the Home tab at the top of Microsoft Word. In the Paragraph section, you will see the Bullets button. Click on it once, and instantly your selected lines will turn into a bullet list with the default black dot style. If you want a different style, click the small arrow next to the Bullets button and choose a circle, square, or any other design you like. Now let's learn how to start a brand new bullet list from scratch. Place your cursor where you want to begin the list. Go to the Home tab and click on the Bullets button. A bullet will appear, and you can start typing your first item. When you press Enter on your keyboard, Word automatically adds the next bullet point for you. You can continue typing and pressing Enter to create as many bullet points as you need. When you reach the last item and want to stop the list, simply press Enter 2 times. This removes the bullet and lets you continue normal typing. There is also a smart feature in Word called Automatic Bulleted Lists. This allows Word to create bullets automatically when you type certain symbols. To enable this, go to File, then Options, then Proofing, and click on Autocorrect Options. Open the Auto Format as you type tab and make sure the option for Automatic Bulleted Lists is checked. Click OK to save. Now, whenever you type an asterisk or a dash and press space, Word will automatically start a bullet list for you. If you ever do this by mistake, you can click the small Autocorrect Options button and choose Undo Automatic Bullets. You can also create subpoints inside your bullet list to make multiple levels, just like an outline. Click at the beginning of the line you want to move to a sublevel and press the Tab key on your keyboard. The item will move to the right and become a sub-bullet with a different style. If you want to move it back to the main level, press Shift and Tab together. This helps you create structured and organized lists with main points and subpoints. Microsoft Word even allows you to create custom bullet styles. Click the arrow next to the Bullets button and choose Define New Bullet. From here, you can select a symbol, a picture, or change the font of the bullet. You can also adjust the alignment of the bullet. As you make changes, you will see a preview. Click OK when you are done, and your new bullet style will appear in the document. You can reuse this custom bullet anytime from the Bullets menu. If you ever want to remove the bullet points but keep the text, select the entire list, go to the Home tab, and click the Bullets button again. The bullets will disappear, but your text will remain in place. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who are learning Microsoft Word.